Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this channel you will be learning about Python in a brief way, very easier and simpler. So yeah, there's the Python logo coming up, there you go. And then so this is the first lecture of my first YouTube video. So in this the contents are introduction. So I'll be giving a basic introduction about Python, and you will be also getting to know Python very easier. So software download. So you can proceed to next one without the downloading software of Python. So I'll be giving you a bunch of sites and bunch of softwares to download Python and make it simpler. So they proceed to the next one, basic lectures. So in this module you will be learning about basic operators in Python. Introduction, software download, and basic lecture, Python development. Hearty welcome guys to my first video. So as I told you, you'll be having a bunch of softwares for Python. So in here, you will be learning about downloading Python 3.9 and Python 3.8, Anaconda, PyCharm, Sublime Text and Visual Studio. Let me show you one by one how to launch them and how to install them. Okay, let's get started. Okay, heading to the Microsoft Store, you guys may wonder that where did Python 3.9 come from? So Python 3.9 is recently released in Microsoft Store. I think some of you know who are watching my video. So if you don't know, let me show you. So this is Python 3.9. Will it come after downloading successfully or without strucking or something like that? So it will come without any problem for you. So let me show you Python 3.9. Okay, you can see here Python 3.9. Let me zoom it for you. Python 3.9. So officially downloaded from Microsoft Store. I've showed you the installation process also. So next you have two alternatives for downloading Python 3.8. So you can download Python 3.8 from Microsoft Store or from web. Let me show you two things. So okay, this is the 3.8 from Microsoft Store, and let's head to the Chrome or whatever you're using. So this is from the web. So just click Python 3.8 download, and you will just find the first one, python.org.download. Otherwise I'll just share this. You'll be getting this link in the description, please see that. And the next one, the next one is the Anaconda. So just click Anaconda download, same one, and I'll also be giving you the link in the description so you can download. Just click download from here and it will be downloaded. Just next is Sublime Text Editor. So Sublime Text Editor will come for different OS, operating systems. So based on your Windows bits and Windows version or your different operating systems, for it is given only for Linux, Windows 64-bit and OS. Others, it's your bad luck, I don't know. So the next one is PyCharm. So I'll give you this link in my description. So you can just click download here, and the PyCharm Community Edition will be downloaded. Note this, you'll be only downloading Community Edition, because what is the difference between Community Edition and Professional? So in Community, you'll just be giving a basic tools for PyCharm. There is nothing different between Community and Professional. Please note that. You don't think like that is big and this is no. They both are same. Okay, the next one, Visual Studio 2019. So Visual Studio comes with Community as well, Professional and Enterprise. So here you'll be having three links. Professional Enterprise will be giving you a free trial, so unlimited free trial. You can just ignore your pop-up messages. So for Mac OS, you'll be giving a free download too. So you can see here. Oh, why is it giving for Mac OS all this? Okay, no problem. Okay, you can I'll just share this link also in my description, don't worry. So launching different editors. So let's go from the starting. I already showed you Python 3.9, so let me show you Python 3.8. There is no difference between Python 3.9 and Python 3.8. So background is black, and it is also Python 3.8.5. You can see here. And the next one is what is the next one? Yeah, Anaconda Navigator. So Anaconda Navigator gonna come on your screen. Let me show you Anaconda Navigator. Okay, it will take a lot of time. So because for the first time users, it will just redirect everything and just head to your web. So it will launch like this, guys. Please wait with patience, because Anaconda Navigator really takes time on my laptop. So it will be based on different operating systems and your laptops or devices. So if you have a more RAM and SSD with higher compatibility with processor, you'll be getting faster and quicker. So this is the process of Anaconda, and it is initializing, as you can see. So don't worry with this all symbols on your desktop, because they are nothing, it's just loading. So the next one is Visual Studio. Visual Studio is also same. So in Visual Studio, you will be giving a direct Python console. Just create a new file. I think Visual Studio course explanation is completed. So the next one, yeah, you can see here Anaconda Navigator. So these are different softwares included in Anaconda Navigator. So for the first time users, it will take some time. Don't worry. So that doesn't mean that your system is slowed down. So the next one is Sublime Text Editor. Sublime Text Editor opens very easily. Oh, I should not show you all this. Okay, so you just have to save this file with .py extension. So go to File and Save As, and your file name with .py extension. I'll tell you why .py. Okay, the next one is Visual Studio. Launch it, you'll get direct Python console, and then so Python 3.9 and 8 are completed, and Anaconda is also completed. PyCharm, I told you have to. Okay, I'm telling you. So in PyCharm, you have to save the file. Before saving the file, you have to click on New, and then click on New File, and then Save As .py extension, and it will all automatically show you the Python console. Just type your presentation name, and then you can proceed. Oh, okay. Are you confused? Okay, don't worry if you are confused. So because in further chapters and lessons, we will be going to use PyCharm editor and all of these for your clarity. So in next one, Sublime Text, you know it. Visual Studio, I told you it will give a direct Python console. So proceeding to the next one, guys. So proceeding to the next one. So I told you you'll be giving your basics content in this module. So what are the basic contents? Introduction, arithmetic operation, and arithmetic operators, and revision for next lecture. Okay, let's head into this, and I'll explain you all this in let's say Python shell. Okay, because you are beginners. Okay, basics, right? So let me just head to the Python 3.9 shell. So okay, here I am at Python 3.9 shell. So I told I'll be giving you a basic introduction. So what is Python? So Python is a fast growing language and is also very helpful for you in programming source. And Python, why Python? So because Python is a very fast growing language nowadays, so because it will just give you the easy codes for programming. I think that is the reason. But okay, the next one, WH questions, right? So what are your questions? Okay, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I hope the introduction is completed, so nothing more than that. So let's head to the arithmetic operators. So what will you be given in the calculator? What are the options? Just tell me. So we'll be giving a plus. Okay, wait a second. So you'll be giving a plus sign, minus sign, why hashtag, just not to confuse you. So plus and minus, and you'll be giving with your multiplication. So in laptop the multiplication symbol comes like this, so don't worry. and the division symbol. So how to use division symbol? So this slash, that is the division symbol. So let's erase all this. Okay, so let's start with the basics. 2 plus 3. What is this? Oh, 5. That's great. So next, so I won't take longer time with this basic operators because they are very basic. Just showing examples for you for all the operators. So okay, here the basic concept is integers and strings. So the numbers you are inputting and the output are integers. So integers are represented with int and strings are represented with str. So what are strings? So you know what is integer. So what are strings? A, B, C, D, E, all these are strings. So when you represent something in a inverted commas, so that becomes a string. So for that sake, I'll just show you print. Just don't remember all this because you don't need all this. Enter. So you see there, class int. Okay, so let me just keep that. So when you are typing a sentence or anything, so you need to keep that sentence in the inverted commas. That's a very basic one. Okay, so let's type the same number, the same integer we have took before, but in inverted commas. You see there, it's a class string. Okay, so you know the string and the integer. So let's head with the arithmetic operators again. So arithmetic operators means plus, minus, into, division. So here you'll be also learning about float. So what is float? Let me show you what is float. So don't be afraid of all these commands I am giving, so because they are very basic. So let me take the same integer we took before for no confusion. So see there, any number or any integer with a decimal and proceeding with a number is called as class float. Okay, so float and the classes are very important for learning arithmetic operators very easily. So the next one is multiplication, right? So just type 4 into 2. That's it. You got it. 4 into 2 is 8. And the next one is the division. So in division you'll be learning about float. So 4 by 2. So for the division symbol you have to use slash mark in Python. So it will give you 2.0. So what is 2.0 there? That's a float. If you don't want that float and you want an integer, so you can just type 4, 2 slashes and then 2. See, you'll get an int, class int. So I think these are the very basics in Python. Just go through this, rewind the video or take a screenshot and read them. So you learned about string, float and int. So let me give you a basic knowledge of the next module upcoming soon. So in the next module, we'll be going to learn about string in brief way, and we'll be also learning about formatting the string. So what is formatting the string? So let's learn in the next module. Why so hurry? Okay. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. After the subscription, you'll just find the bell icon and just click that for receiving my notifications. And you can also comment and let me know how's my video. Thank you. Bye bye.